This video is sponsored by Surfshark VPN. At the end of this video, I'll show you how to surf the web without a trace. Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video, I'm going to be answering one of the biggest questions that you guys have been asking me over and over and over. So over here, we have a Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and right over here, we have a dummy model of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And of course, in anticipation of the release of the Note 10 Plus, you guys want to know whether or not you should upgrade from the Note 8 to the Note 10 Plus. And of course, in this video, I do want to let you guys know that I do want to give you guys a green light on doing that. It is in fact a very sensible upgrade to. Now, what I want to do is I want to give you 5 reasons on why that is a good idea. So let's start with number 1. So number 1, I do want to let you know that if you do upgrade, there is something very special that you're getting with the Note 10 Plus, and that is in fact the stereo speakers. Now, as good as the Note 8 smartphone is, it does not have stereo speakers. It only has a single speaker at the bottom, so it has a mono speaker. But when you upgrade from the Note 8 to the Note 10 Plus, you end up getting stereo speakers, and also you get Dolby Atmos sound. And that's a great thing to have for media consumption. So that's number 1. Number 2, I've never been a fan of the fingerprint sensor right over here on the Note 8, especially because it's all the way up here and it's hard to reach and it's not even centered. So I was kind of happy to see the centered fingerprint sensor on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, as you can see right over here. But nothing beats having an in-display sensor right in the front of the display right over here, which is super easy and super convenient. So you'll be getting that ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that's built into the actual display. So that's going to be a great upgrade, and that I think is reason number 2. Now the next reason is going to be the screen. Now take a look at this phone and this phone side by side. They have the same exact footprint, and of course, even if I grab a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and put it right next to the Note 8, this one is smaller. Now this one has a 6.3 inch display. This one is a 6.4 inch display, even though it's smaller. But then this guy over here does have a 6.8 inch super massive display, regardless of the fact that it's the same size as the Note 8. So that's another upgrade you're getting. You're getting a slightly better quality screen, but also a larger screen, again, which is great for media consumption. And of course, one of the biggest things you are looking at right now, which is number 4, are the cameras. So when you jump from the Note 8 to the Note 10 Plus, you're getting a massive upgrade in camera quality. Much better nighttime shots, much better video recording, and much sharper video recording. So that's one of the reasons that you should upgrade from the Note 8 to the Note 10 Plus. Now the final thing that I do want to talk about is the S Pen. So the S Pen on this Note 8 is a good pen, all right? You can write precisely and everything. But again, on the Note 9, you do have an S Pen, which is right over here, that in fact allows you to control your phone using the button here. So you have this button, ends up being a remote control to control your Note 9, all right? Now you can do that same thing with the Note 10 Plus and more. So this is just a plain good old S Pen, works great as far as taking notes are concerned, but that's all it does. This one is a Bluetooth S Pen, so it's going to actually connect to your phone via Bluetooth on the Note 10 Plus, and you'll be able to control your phone with the actual S Pen without even touching the screen. So that is number 5. So there's more reasons to upgrade, such as the processor upgrade. Now this one comes with base 6 gigabytes of RAM. This one is going to have a base 12 gigabytes of RAM. That's also another reason to upgrade. But the things that I did mention to you were the larger screen that you're getting, the stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos that you're getting on this one, and of course the in-display fingerprint sensor that you're going to be getting on this one, and of course the new S Pen features and the massive camera upgrade you're getting from going here to here. So don't even think about it. If you want to get the Note 10 Plus and you're a Note 8 owner, just do it, unless you're simply satisfied with what you have right now. If you're satisfied, don't upgrade. But if you want something new, the jump is actually going to be worth it. Now again, when you try to jump from a Note 9 to a Note 10 Plus, it is debatable, okay? But when you're telling me, when you're asking me, should I go from the Note 8 to the Note 10 Plus, then it is hardly debatable. Just do it. And of course, I'll come up with some more detailed explanations very soon. This was a quick video to in fact address the question that you guys have been asking me. All right, so drop your comments down below and let me know what you are going to do. For now, guys, have a fantastic day. All right, so real quick, let's talk about how to protect yourself as you browse the web. Now, the problem today is we are being watched, especially when we go out there and use a public Wi-Fi, which could be a local coffee shop, could be a hotel, could be an airport, or even a public library. The moment you connect to a public Wi-Fi, all your data is potentially exposed, including your passwords, your browsing history, and your financial data. These things are meant to be 100% private with no compromises. So you do need a VPN service to put you under a military-grade encryption and hide all this information from prying eyes. And of course, I do have a great deal for you for Surfshark VPN. Now, if you go to surfshark.deals/SAKITECH, you will get a massive 83% off plus 1 month free. And of course, you've got nothing to lose because you do get 30-day money-back guarantee. So the link is down below. Make sure you go to surfshark.deals/SAKITECH to get this promo. All right, again, those links are down below. Make sure to protect yourself. All right.